What's up, tool fans? Welcome back to Tools Inspector. Today we're breaking down 15 new plumbing tools on Amazon that are actually worth getting. These aren't gimmicks. They save time, effort, and frustration on real jobs. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, these tools can seriously upgrade your setup. Let's get into it. Number 1. RIDGID Easy Change Plumbing Wrench. If you've ever fought with a wrench under a sink, this will feel like a cheat code. This is one of those tools plumbers wish they bought sooner. Once you use this, you'll never crawl under a sink the same way again. The RIDGID Easy Change Plumbing Wrench makes faucet installs way less painful by reaching tight spaces with ease. Its interchangeable heads handle multiple nut sizes, allowing fast and smooth faucet installation or removal. Number 2. Smart Jerry Rubber Strap Wrench 2-pack. Ever cracked a fixture because your wrench slipped? This tool solves that instantly. It's simple but shockingly effective. Perfect for anyone tired of damaging expensive chrome fixtures. The flexible rubber straps grip securely without damaging surfaces, making them perfect for shower heads, pipes, and even oil filters. The adjustable design fits multiple sizes, making this simple tool surprisingly versatile. Number 3. POPULO Electric Toilet Plunger. This looks futuristic, and it works like it too. If plungers never work for you, watch this. This feels more like a power tool than a bathroom tool. Instead of manual plunging, the POPULO Electric Toilet Plunger uses high-pressure bursts to clear blockages fast. It works on toilets, sinks, showers, and floor drains while staying mess-free. A powerful solution for stubborn home clogs. Number 4. iCrimp Ratchet PX Cinch Toolkit. PX installs don't have to be slow or frustrating anymore. This tool alone can cut job time in half. If you work with PX, this is a no-brainer upgrade. The ratcheting mechanism ensures consistent, secure crimps every time. It includes clamps and a built-in removal function while covering multiple pipe sizes. Number 5. iCrimp Angle Head F1807PX Crimp Tool. Tight spaces ruin most plumbing jobs. This fixes that. If you work in cabinets or walls, this is a lifesaver. This tool reaches places your hands barely can. This angle head crimp tool reaches areas standard tools can't, making it perfect for confined plumbing jobs. Designed specifically for copper crimp rings, it delivers strong, precise crimps with excellent control. Number 6. WORKPRO 8-inch Needle Nose Pliers. Every toolbox needs a reliable precision tool. This is it. Small jobs become way easier with a right grip. One of those tools you end up using way more than expected. The long nose design grips wires and small parts easily, while the heavy-duty CRV steel ensures durability. A comfortable grip reduces hand fatigue, making them perfect for plumbing, electrical, and general repair work. Number 7. 22-piece Ratcheting Wrench Set. Imagine not needing to switch tools every 5 seconds. This set covers almost everything. Perfect for tight spaces where normal wrenches fail. Featuring a 72-tooth ratcheting design, these wrenches work smoothly in tight spaces. With both SAE and metric sizes included and a roll-up pouch for organization, it's perfect for plumbing and mechanical jobs alike. Number 8. Oatey 4-inch Plastic Test Plug. This tool looks simple, but it's absolutely critical. One mistake here can cost you big. A small tool that protects you from massive leaks. This expandable test plug is used for pressure testing drain and sewer lines, creating a tight, reliable seal. Built for durability and repeated use, it's a staple in professional plumbing setups. Number 9. Pipe Center Finder Tool. Perfect cuts start with perfect measurements. This tool removes all the guesswork. If accuracy matters, this tool earns its spot instantly. The Pipe Center Finder helps locate the exact center of round pipes for precise cutting. It works on pipes over ½ an inch wide and includes a bubble level for added precision. Number 10. Angle Stop Wrench Kit. If you've ever damaged a shutoff valve, you'll appreciate this. It's designed to fix a very common plumbing headache. This tool saves valves, pipes, and your patience. This kit is designed to remove stubborn compression rings while working comfortably in tight cabinet spaces. It helps prevent damage to supply lines and delivers professional-level results every time. Number 11. HAUTMEC Automatic Copper Tube Cutter. This makes cutting pipe almost effortless. Clean cuts with less strain every time. It feels smooth, controlled, and incredibly satisfying to use. This automatic tube cutter adjusts as you rotate it, producing smooth, accurate cuts. It works on copper, brass, and aluminum tubing and fits easily into tight spaces. Number 12. PVC Pipe Reamer Kit, 4-piece. Why replace fittings when you can save them? This tool literally pays for itself. One repair can justify the entire kit. It removes old pipe from glued PVC fittings instead of forcing you to replace them. Designed for standard SCH 40 sizes with a carbide insert for smooth removal. Number 13. When torque matters, this wrench delivers. Built for jobs standard wrenches struggle with. This is the wrench you grab when nothing else works. The offset design improves access in tight spaces, while the aluminum body keeps it lightweight but strong. Its adjustable jaw grips securely for serious work. Number 14. Drain Snake 2.0, 50 feet with drill attachment. This turns your drill into a clog-destroying machine. If plungers fail, this won't. Once you use this, manual snakes feel outdated. With 50 feet of solid cable, it reaches deep blockages in sinks, tubs, and floor drains. Faster and more powerful than hand snakes. Number 15. WORKPRO Cabinet Jacks Support Poles, 4-pack. This feels like hiring an extra helper for free. Once you use it, you'll never install cabinets without it. Perfect for solo installs when you need steady support. These telescopic support poles hold cabinets, drywall, and doors with ease, supporting up to 154 pounds. The quick-release design saves serious time. These plumbing tools prove the right gear makes all the difference. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe to Tools Inspector. All product links are waiting in the description below. Let us know which tool you'd add to your toolbox.